Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or even good night, everyone. So this is my SQL programming practical assignment presentation. Before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Ajra Maharani, with student ID 2024-31001 from class A. So in this video, I will explain step by step how to create and manage a restaurant database using SQL. So first, I create a new database, comment with the name Laporan 2_2024-31001. After that, I use the use command to activate the database. So this step is important because it ensures that all the next SQL commands will run in the correct database. Okay. Second, I create a table named pesanan. This table stores restaurant order data. I use ID pesanan as the primary key so that every record has a unique identity and there will be no duplicate data. I also select suitable data types such as varchar for text, date for dates, integer for quantity, and decimal for currency values. Okay. Next, I insert 20 rows of data into the pesanan table. So this records include different categories such as main course, drinks, and snacks. So the data also use different dates, so it can support further analysis and aggregation. Okay, after that, I modified the table structure by adding a new column called total underscore harga. So I used the alter table command for this purpose. The decimal data type was chosen to maintain accuracy for financial calculation. Okay, then uh, I filled the total harga column using the update command. The value was calculated automatically by multiplying jumlah underscore item with harga underscore satuan for each row. So this makes the data mathematically consistent and complete. Next, I perform text formatting using a string function. I use the upper function to change all characters in nama underscore pelanggan into uppercase letters. I also use the lower uh, function to convert nama underscore menu into lowercase letters. This is the result. Okay, after that, I displayed the character length of drink menu names. I used the length function to count the number of characters in each menu name. With the where clause, I filtered the data so that only records in the drinks category were shown. Okay, next one. I calculated the total revenue of all transactions. So for this, I used the sum aggregations function on the total harga column. So this query provides the overall income generated by the restaurant. And then next, I displayed the average price, the highest price, and the lowest price. I use average, max, and min function aggregation. I use this function together, and also the group by clause was applied to organize the results based on menu categories. Okay, this is the result. Next, I identified the most ordered items. I use sum jumlah underscore item to calculate the total quantity order for each menu. Then I sort the result with order by desk. So the most popular menu appeared at the top. So this is bakwan is the most popular menu. Okay. After that, I filtered categories using the having clause, unlike where having is used after aggregation. So this query displayed only menu categories whose total revenue exceed by 150.000 rupiah. Okay, finally at the end, I delayed certain records based on transaction dates by combining delete command with the day function. I remove a transaction that occurred before the 10th day of the month. After checking the table again, those records were no longer present. So this is the result. When I run these commands, this will show the results. Okay, that is the complete step-by-step process of creating and managing a restaurant database in SQL. Through this practical assignment, I learned how to create database, manage tables, manipulate data, and perform analysis using SQL function. Thank you for watching my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.